everyone. Today I will talk about e-commerce basic mode B2B, B2C. Overview of B2B e-commerce is a business model of exchanging and transmitting data and information between enterprises through the network and carrying out transaction activity. The B2B e-commerce model has gone through the following stages of development. 1. Import phase, the new year 1998 to 2000. 2. Initial stage, the new year 2001 to 2003. 3. Stage of development, the new year 2004 to last diversified hair exhibition stage 2008. Today, its characteristic is small number of transactions, large transaction amount, save on transaction costs. We will strengthen strategic cooperation among enterprises, trading operation specification. We can further refine the segmentation of B2C e-commerce models. B2B e-commerce model can be divided into two parts, including large enterprises to build their own B2B model and third-party e-commerce model. And the third-party e-commerce model can be divided into level B2B for the intermediate trading market and vertical. B2B for physical enterprises. Last, the profit model analysis. At present, most B2B e-commerce enterprises take charging membership fees as one of the main profit model. The profit model includes subscription fee, advertising, search engine bidding ranking, value-added service, offline services.
I really hope you can help me out. My business is struggling.
What's the issue?
I'm having a hard time making ends meet. I'm barely breaking even.
The simplest thing to do is to lower your overhead costs.
What do you mean by overhead?
Overhead refers to the total cost of running your business.
Got it. I need to find a way to reduce those costs.
Exactly. That's where we should start. What are your fixed and variable monthly expenses?
What's the difference?
Fixed expenses are consistent every month, like rent or electricity. Variable expenses change, like supplies or inventory.
Okay, I'll make a list of those.
Sounds good. Just email it to me when you're ready.
Hi, John. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it clearly. What do you have for me today?
I've prepared a presentation on the results of our recent marketing campaign. I'm using a scatter chart to show the relationship between our ad spend and the number of new customers we acquired.
Sounds good. Walk me through the chart.
Sure. If you look at the scatter chart here, each point represents a specific ad campaign. The x-axis shows the amount we spent on each campaign, and the y-axis represents the number of new customers we gained.
I see. It looks like there's an upward trend. Can you explain that?
Absolutely. The points generally slope upwards, indicating a positive correlation. This suggests that as we increased our ad spend, we typically acquired more customers.
Got it. Are there any points we should focus on?
Yes, let me highlight one. This campaign had a high ad spend but resulted in fewer new customers. It's an outlier, likely because it ran during a holiday period when our target audience was less active online.
Good catch. We might need to rethink our strategy during holidays to optimize our spending.
I agree. Based on this data, I recommend increasing our budget for campaigns during periods when our audience is most active. This should maximize our customer acquisition.
That makes sense. Thanks for the insights, Sarah. The scatter chart really helps visualize the data clearly. Let's set up a follow-up meeting to discuss implementing your recommendations.
Thanks, John. I'm glad the chart was useful. I'll prepare a detailed plan for our next steps and send you a calendar invite for the follow-up.
How do you think our numbers will look this season?
We've been much better at sticking to the schedule, so I expect to see improvements across the board.
Good. I received an email from the bookbinder about your project. She's very pleased with the improved communication. You're doing a great job on that.
Thanks. I'm glad to hear that.
However, I noticed that several copies of one of your new titles were returned by the distribution center.
Yes, unfortunately, that title was sent out with several pages missing.
You need to make sure your team isn't sacrificing quality for speed.
Do you have any advice?
What have you tried so far?
I tried offering incentives, but sometimes the work was sloppy.
Do your team members check each other's work?
No. Each person is responsible for checking their own work.
Maybe you could assign each person a partner for quality assurance.
Thanks, I'll try that.
Follow up with me next month and let me know how it's going.
Okay, I will.
Okay, next we will learn the B2C e-commerce. B2C e-commerce means the enterprises use the internet to provide consumers with products or services of business activities. Enterprises through the internet to provide consumers with a new shopping environment, online stores. Consumers through the network in the online shopping, online payment, and other consumption lines. B2C mainly consists of three parts. The first part is online shopping mall is a place where businesses directly face consumers, and it is a virtual shopping mall. The second part is the logistics distribution system is one of the important links in B2C transactions, which mainly includes three basic modes: self-operated logistics, third-party logistics, and logistics alliance. The third part is payment and settlement. At present, the main payment methods in B2C e-commerce mode include cash on delivery and electronic payment. Cash on delivery is the most original payment method, while electronic payment is online payment through online banking, third-party payment tools. The B2C e-commerce model can also be subdivided into 5 types, including integrated type B2C type, vertical type of the B2C, producer direct sales of B2C, third-party trading platform B2C, traditional retailers sell the B2C. One is comprehensive B2C, with a large shopping group, stable website platform, and complete payment system, such as GD. 2 is vertical B2C, mainly serves certain specific groups or needs, provides comprehensive products and more professional services in this field or needs. 3 is producer direct sales mode, refers to the mode that product manufacturers directly provide their products to consumers through self-built e-commerce platform such as Xiaomi. 4 is the third party, refers to an object other than two interrelated subjects. The third-party transaction platform is the function of third-party service intermediaries to complete third-party guaranteed payment. 5 is traditional retailers build their own websites for sales, organically combine rich retail experience with e-commerce, effectively integrate the supply chain and logistics system of traditional retail business, and solve the technical problems required for operating e-commerce websites through business outsourcing, like Gourmet. Okay, the last part is the profit model analysis. It can be divided into 3 parts. product sales business revenue model, online advertising revenue model, fee membership revenue model. Finally, students can consolidate the knowledge learned today through the question, what is the difference between B2B and B2C model? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.